Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to download and install Git for Windows 10. So go to any browser and type download Git for Windows in Google search. Click on Git install for Windows. Now click here to download. Now click on install.